baby. He was just here.
Don't worry, dear. We'll find him. He couldn't have gone far.
Baby? Where are you, sweetie? Don't worry, little birdie. I'll help you.
Oh, baby. We were so worried.
But, Mommy, the birdie needed help.
You have the biggest heart, son. But next time, tell us where you're going.
Thank you for watching our adventure. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Pretty please?
See you next time, friends!